This book in paperback and eBook and in English and Tigrinya, in 129 pages invites readers on a photographic journey that delves into Asmara's different historical phases accompanied by brief historical notes on the city and the country at large. Asmara 1890 to 1941, compared to modern times, a virtual exploration, with 120 stunning pictures. In one of the sections, we take you to the details of the urban planning of Asmara that took several phases and several years, with plans revised by the governors and Rome. It started with the 1914 regulatory of de Fio-Ferrazza plan. Initial efforts to address this were led by architect Guido Ferrazza, but later replaced by the Caffiero-Teruzzi plan. The plan included segregationist urbanism aimed to create a European quarter in one of Asmara's most scenic areas. Italian residents were to be housed in modern, villa-style neighborhoods with green spaces, such as Gezabanda, while Eritreans were moved into separate quarters, including a newly planned indigenous quarter beyond the hills of Abashal. New villages were established at Paradiso, Acrea, Udi Sogdu, and others. The plan also included functionalist modernism where, despite its segregationist undertones, the plan also incorporated modernist urban planning principles, such as zoning for residential, commercial, and industrial areas, traffic management, and the inclusion of public amenities. However, Caffiero's later plan added a green barrier to segregate indigenous zones from European and mixed neighborhoods. The city's boom was impressive. By 1935, the population of the capital alone included 4,000 Italians and 12,000 locals. By 1939, the municipality had a population of 98,000, of which 53,000 were Italians. Asmara became the largest Italian city in East Africa and the only African capital with a white majority, where Europeans made up the majority of the population. You can learn more about this in the book.